be ordered and disciplined, or else you will not be profitable. And it's crazy because a lot of people who are getting into trading now are going to have to figure this out, and they're going to be like, wow, this really forces you to change everything. And so I'm a loser. I'm a degenerate. Until I fix these habits, I will not be profitable, but it's up to me to fix them, and I can. I have everything else I need to be successful. I am the only thing holding myself back. So I'm making this video because every time I blow these accounts, the rest of my ruined. The today's been pretty ruined for me, but you know, it's just how it goes. This day I decided to make a video. So yeah, better trading next week, I guess. Blew another account today for no reason at all.
So that was really a beautiful video. Fixing your habits. Talk about fixing habits, bro. I didn't go to gym for like more than 2 months now. Like the start of this year, I started going gym. Probably 4 to 5 days, and after that, I stopped it because the winter got really heavy, and that is only a reason I know for a fact that I could have just taken the bus and then go to the gym. I could have done it. I would have, if I really thought of doing it. If I really want to do it, I would have done it. But here's here's it. Here's it. So today, after like a very long day, I don't know exactly how many days I didn't go to gym because I didn't have a track about it. But I do I do work out at home, but not as effective as me going to gym. So cold shower and then came back in, pray to God, and got my first bus. I was on time for the bus, and then got to the gym. I did my workouts, and then didn't take a picture of myself. I really don't want to because I'm practicing it still. Because every time I go to gym, I used to take a picture of myself. I stopped it today. I really didn't want to do it. I didn't do it. So again, on top of it, I came back out. I got myself some peanuts, and I need to like get some batteries for my weighing scale. So I got that, and bro, this is one of the most complete morning after a very long time. I came back home, came live exactly at 9:15, which I always write myself that I have to be live by 9:15, and every single time I come back after 9:15 or probably more, I mean probably a bit late to that. So I did had a good sleep, 5 to 5.5 hours of sleep after a very long time. That's way better than no sleep. So that's a good thing too. I did go to bed before 12 or 1 o'clock, probably, yeah, 1 o'clock. I did had a good sleep, 5 hours of sleep. So, anyways, there's a complete morning, good habit day. I mean, actually, like this is something that I want to do it for a very long time, and I really appreciate myself. And that's a morning win, by the way. So, I'm really happy about it, bro. I need to check whether my screen is actually sharing. Bitch, who the fuck is this guy? Who the fuck is that? I know it.
I know it.
I don't know why my not actually sharing, bro. Wow, you have the courage to trust them. That means you have the strength to let them go when they need, when they when they break that trust. Uh, Anyways, let's get it started. A clear liquidity that we got right up here. But I mean, I'm drag it to there. You know what? I really wish I could listen to music right now while I'm being in live, but YouTube won't let me do it, bro. My mom is calling.
Hello?
1 minute, ma. 1 minute, 1 minute. Well, that was that was something. I did wait for my confidence. I did do everything, bro. But still, got stopped. What do you mean, bro? Inside of 5 minutes for value gap, probably that could be a reason. An inversion, third kind of high has been swept. This for value gap, that's a market structure shift right there. See, or change state of delivery probably. So I could go for an entry now. I guess, yeah, let's go. If this hits my stop loss, I don't know what to do, bro. Honestly speaking, I'm done. If this hits my stops, yeah, it's going to actually. I'm just gonna keep it a little bit below, which definitely gonna hit. I could have waited a little bit more, I guess. I just don't know, bro. This is horrible price action. Literally, I got my entry right there and still gonna get stopped out. What do you mean? Yep, definite stops. Definitely gonna get stopped out. Come on, baby, push it up. Where are we at? Rejecting. Almost at a reversal zone, by the way. I'm just gonna go break even once this high has been taken out. Because on a 15-minute time frame, we got this inversion. We are holding 15-minute value gap. We're pushing up, and price really didn't sweep any liquidity to actually come back down. So there's a lot of convictions, a lot of confidence to go higher, but this was a good setup for me, rejecting off these 15-minute gaps right there, and then gave us a market structure shift, and then there's inversion right there. Everything was there, so I just entered on a sell. I was on talking to my mom, and I didn't think about it much. And here it is right now. I could have waited for this trade though, really. I'm okay. I'm okay hitting break even though. 2000 250 right there. Mhm, 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 mhm. Now we are on the good side. Reasoning this is a fair value gap. Here's a fair value gap being created. Okay, perfect. There we go. Dude, let's go, my man. God bless, bro. God bless. Lucid account has been passed. The first entry was a little bit off, to be honest. This is a clean inversion plus this third candle low has been swept. I was looking for a buy entry, by the way, from the morning because we got a 15-minute inversion. We are holding 15-minute fair value gap. So everything was there. Everything was on tight, right? Like everything was everything was here actually. So why did I actually flip my bias to selling and then go buy? Why am I taking this first trade eventually? The reason for that is I had my risk. First things first, risk management was there. And the second thing is that once this is my actual model, like we got a liquidity sweep, but we still have this Asian high right there, right? So I really don't want to like see a sweep or like see a candle close about it. I really wanted to see that thing in order for me to like go sell. So, but there didn't happen, right? That didn't happen. So once this 15 minutes or probably a higher time frame fair value gap being holding, I literally wanted to like, okay, let's see if this gives us a market structure, which really did. And this is the first percentile fair value gap, and price is really about to go up and sweep the Asian high in order for it to come back down. It has to hold this fair value gap, and then it should have done it. So this is completely manipulation. I really got manipulated on the first trade, but my risk management was there. Risk management was there, and that's the only major reason. And even after that, I was waiting for this fair value gap to be holding because I at least wanted to see a sweep about somewhere on here, because those are all like how to say this, those are all like literally low resistance liquidity. So man, didn't I really wanted to take these lows right here. um Probably I got stopped out anyways. I was really adaptive. I'm not a trader, I'm an adapter. That's always that I would love to say, which happened right here. Once market open low has been swept, I really wanted to see a good rejection model, like reverse model. Probably this is a time where it actually reverse, right? What time was it? Like it was 10 o'clock, bro. I don't even know. It probably should be in news, I guess. Anyways, we're on the good side. So once this inversion happened, I wanted to wait for one more confluence, which is the third candle high has to be swept or close above. So happened, and one more thing is that we got a fair value gap, and everything was there. And I really love to enter on this trade. I mean, I just after seeing the rejection, this was a bullish candle before I enter and closed bearish. Anyways, I'm not worried about it. And had my stop loss below this, I was like thinking, okay, maybe I probably would have entered a little bit earlier, but I removed my stop loss from there. But it really did work out. Exactly hit my take profit, and here it is. So that's all I need, right? That's all I need. I passed it. I passed it. I don't need to actually trade CPI or whatever the passing techniques that are going on the internet. I just had to trust myself and trust the model that I'm trading. And yeah, I could have just avoided this first trade, but anyways, eventually got the second trade. So was a pretty amazing morning. All thanks to God. God bless, bro. God bless. So I guess I am done here. Um, I mean, there's nothing much to do for me after this trade. So I guess I'm out then. And as always, brother, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible, brother. So just keep going. All you had to do is put the faith in yourself and believe in God, and everything is going to align up. Everything is going to happen. And I'm not talking because this is a good day, but this is a good day for sure. I made this a good day, and I can also make this a bad day. So take the goodness, good things. Always be good. Always try to be good. Try from your soul. You know what to do. So please keep going. Never stop for anybody. Never ever stop for anybody. Never look back. Once it's gone, it's gone. So you have to always keep moving forward. So that's the only way it is. So we cannot go to the past, right? So why actually bring that to your head and then like think about it, get stressed about it, or because I did it that time, and that's the reason why I'm actually being like this right now. But the thing is, if you can't impress your younger version, who are you trying to impress? So just keep going. I'm talking irrelevant stuff. So and yes, man, I'm really happy about what happened today. So that's it. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible if you believe in God. So just keep going, brother. Adios.